Hello everyone and welcome back. My name is Jeffy and this is my best friend Android the Chihuahua. We are excited because we are back in the holiday theme. I'm really excited because we're going to be making some cool gift baskets today, and they're not just any gift baskets. These are the most frugal gift baskets that you will see this Christmas season. Or answering the giant question of the day, how to make a frugal gift basket. This gift basket is going to cost us $3 each a piece, and you could honestly make them a little bit cheaper if you didn't stuff them as much as we're going to. To pull this basket off, what I did was I set a budget of $12 to make 4 baskets, so $3 each, and then I went to the Dollar Tree. Now, I also checked Walmart afterwards to see if this was something that could have been done there, and the answer is no. I did not see enough stuff at Walmart that had multiple things in a package, and that's why you're able to do it at the Dollar Tree. There was a lot of different items where you would get 6 pieces of candy in one container, or like this is 4 different little balloons. So a lot of the stuff at Walmart, the cheapest stuff was about $1 each. So you could make a really cute gift basket from the stuff there, but I don't think you could make a $3 gift basket like the one we're gonna make here today and have it be anywhere near as cool. So for this project, we had a $12 budget, and the first thing that I got us was these little buckets. They come in packages of 2. They had a bunch of different colors of this. The ones that I picked out, I definitely thought were the cutest. This little gingerbread one is the best. And then I got this one, which is a little bit more of a neutral color that pretty much everyone's gonna like. The dollar store also had a really good variety of different items. They had some cool looking candy canes that I've never seen before. So we're just gonna toss this stuff all together and see what we can come up with. I really love these buckets. I got them for cookies last year, and I was really happy to see that they had them again this year. And then I spent $1 of our budget on this red fluffy stuff. You could alternatively use tissue paper for this portion, but I thought these would look really nice with the green color that we have in our bucket. All right, so once you get the plastic off of that, you're gonna wanna pop the tops off. You could, in theory, make a gift basket that closed all the way, but I personally love gift baskets that look like they're overflowing. And some of our suckers are a little bit tall too, so it'll be nice to not have the tops on our finished product. But we don't want to lose the top in case someone wants to keep this later for cookies or something. So the first thing we're going to do is take a little bit of clear tape and just tape these so they stick to the bottom, and that way they don't get lost. Once we got our bottom secured, we are ready to add our fluff. I'm just going to be splitting this 4 ways, and if you fluff it up with your hands a little bit first, it'll go a little bit farther. Alright, I would say 1 bag was just about perfect for 4 of these containers, which is good because I was a little nervous that it would be too little for each container, but this looks good. Nice and poofy. Next, I think I'm going to do our tall items, which is going to be these little lollipops. So every year there's a bunch of different types of candy canes that you can get, but these ones are so crazy looking. They really drew me in, especially these SpongeBob ones. I just am in love with that blue and yellow color in the candy canes. And they came in a 3-count package, so I did have to get 2 to have enough candy canes for each of our buckets to get at least 1. And a couple of our people are gonna get lucky with an extra candy cane. And these I kind of want falling over the edge. All right, 2 lucky people are gonna get 2 candy canes instead of just the 1. I think we're gonna continue on with our hard candies. So next I'm gonna do the 6-pack of suckers. These ones are, of course, gingerbread theme, which are gonna go amazing with our little gingerbread theme bucket. I think these suckers are an incredible value for just $1 each. You get 6 of them. That's just nuts. The 2 buckets that have gingerbread men on it definitely get to have a gingerbread man sucker. It would almost feel wrong if they didn't. Continue on until all of my buckets have 3 of our fun suckers. I think this one's gonna end up being my favorite because it's gonna have one of each of the little cute guys. Actually, I like it so much, one of these is gonna have 2 Christmas trees just so that this one can keep the same energy of one of each of the really cute guys. I just love that. I guess next we will do the balloons. One of my favorite things that the dollar store has this time of year is these little puff balloons. You slam them on the ground or just in your hand and they somehow chemically mix together to poof up, and then they turn into these really cute little Christmas ornaments. These are one of my favorite things to get there. Every single year I end up getting a couple packages, and they come in a pack of 4. So for only $1 of our budget, I was able to get enough for each of our buckets to have one of these balloons. I actually forgot about these. These are pretty big, so I hope they don't totally overshadow my cute little guys. And this also each comes with a little string. I'm just going to toss those in there in case they want to use it to make their ornament hang. All right, and these I'm actually just going to tuck inside the front here. They'll barely be seen, which is what I want. I want these cute little guys to be front and center when you look at this. All right, next I'm gonna do our 3 packs of chocolate bars. These are just little 6 packs. This one came with a free one. And so in total here we have just under 20 candy bars, and these are just favorites. Everyone loves these candies. They're gonna be really good in making our basket look nice and full. Now, instead of laying our chocolate bars long way up, I'm gonna kind of lay them flat so they just cover the top of this. I think it'll make it look like there's more of them in here. All right, and since these 2 got an extra candy cane, these 2 are gonna get an extra 3 Musketeers. I didn't realize there was 2 extra Butterfingers. I'm a liar. Some of these little gift buckets have like 1 more piece of candy than the other. Hopefully nobody notices. And finally, our 6 slips. This is one of my favorite cheap candies, and this bag comes with 25 pieces. So each of our 4 buckets is gonna end up with about 6 of these, and that's a pretty good amount of candy from a $1 bag. I love these because they're small, they're colorful, they are holiday colors, so I'm just gonna pop these in kind of like confetti to fill in some of my empty space. Alright, I hate to say it, guys, but I outdid myself this time. These look fabulous, and at only $3 each, these would make the perfect gifts for like kids' friends or even school teachers. I think just about anyone would be happy to end up with one of these buckets. So this is our $3 gift bucket. It looks super full of candy, and it is just the best. I'm so happy with how these turned out. Android said he loved our buckets too. Don't you, Android? Well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this, please consider hitting that like button and subscribing for more videos just like this. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.